In 2020, Bank of St. Lucia launched its contactless Visa credit and debit cards. Today, the financial institution is extending this important convenience banking service to members of the St. Lucia Workers Credit Union by way of this partnership.
It's portable, powered with Bank of St. Lucia, of course.
According to the Deputy Managing Director, Lyndon Arnold, accessibility to one's funds is important and a priority for every financial institution, and BOSL is extremely excited to share this innovation with the staff and members of the St. Lucia Workers Credit Union.
Because since the onset of COVID last year, what we've seen now as the norm are the long queues outside of banks, supermarkets, utility companies, and it is really not an efficient use of our time in terms of that queuing. And that passion has translated into us at Bank of St. Lucia finding ways of how we can better serve our customers to allow them to make better use of their time. And I remember on a few occasions in recent weeks having to pass across the Derek Walcott Square there and realize that outside your entrance doors, those queues also exist. But guess what? With the card now, those queues can be shortened.
In addition to being able to access funds at all Bank of St. Lucia ATMs, local ATMs, and 1 million ATMs worldwide, cardholders will be able to shop online and make purchases locally and worldwide. The president and general manager of the credit union were present and shared their zeal and appreciation for the project finally coming to fruition.
Today, I somehow feel very humbled by this occasion. And humbled why? Because I think that a small organization, which started out of a briefcase based on the ideas of a few persons with a vision to create something that could last, something that could provide the means to empower not just their staff, but later on, much of St. Lucia, is now taking an even greater step.
We have come a long way, and we are here right now with a product that is going to benefit our members. We know what COVID did, and we saw our members being disadvantaged during the COVID times, not being able to access their funds when the credit union was closed. And today, I would say that we are ready. Should another pandemic, God forbid, happen, our members are now positioned whereby they would not be left out in the cold.
Member of the St. Lucia Workers Credit Union, Leslie Collymore, says that despite the fact that people see credit unions as a savings institution, it's equally important to be able to give members that other option.
The technology has been there within the last 12 to 15 years, but what the pandemic has taught us is it's made it mandatory to move into the digital space. And not everybody has the expertise or appetite for it. And so the credit union actually being brave enough to take that step and partnering with an entity such as Bank of St. Lucia, who is tried and tested and have the expertise, was a really smart move.
Since the advent of COVID-19, Bank of St. Lucia has launched and implemented a plethora of technologically advanced initiatives aimed at improving convenience and safety for customers. According to bank officials, customers can expect to hear more exciting news of new services and partnerships in the near future.